5-ton, 6-wheel drive, 84 model. This is the replica. It's got steering, it's got rear wheel independent suspension, front independent suspension. It's got a massive bumpers. Here's the back end. You gotta cut it out. It's gonna have a 2-inch lift, so it's got plenty of room for the tires. These are gonna be the door panels to start with. It's gotta be heavy, really heavy duty. Tire is gonna go right here. Cab and the motor, just like you see right here. The exhaust, and the back is going to be staked with rod, maybe coat hanger rod, and I got some green canvas. Bumpers are going to have pintle hooks on them on the 4 corners so it can be picked up by a helicopter. Yeah. And that's my most exciting one yet. And then I might put a turret up here for machine gun.
Yeah, why not?
No end to the possibilities.
Why not? Yep.
Oh, it's going to be the best one yet. I'm so excited.
Have a cannon in the back of it?
Yeah, I got 2 weeks into it. I figure
Very
another
cool.
month I'll be done.
Very cool.
I get up every morning. Tomorrow morning I'm going to torch this out, then give it the 2-inch lift, weld that on, then start the bumpers. And I take it in and out.
Very cool.
And it's my most fast. It's going to be fascinating. Then reach through here. You can steer it, and then the control stick's going to attach in here, so you go forward and backwards with it. It covers, you'll see when it's done.
Awesome.
But independent wheels. They can flip around just like the tank. It's so cool. And then I may put 2 more strips right here to represent leaf springs, because they had the 7 leaf springs on the big truck, and I want to make it close to details as possible.
Right.
I'm so excited about it.
Awesome. Awesome.
I know.
I can't wait.
I know it.
So that's the end of the piece.
Well, this is going to be the bumper.
Cool.
Right about there. And then the front bumper, it's going to be right about here. Like that. Bit over half done. A lot of detail work yet. The exhaust pipe, the air intake manifold, the cherry picker, the whole front end, the lift points. I got the steering done. That's perfected. And I got the rear wheels pivots done. I got some of the cargo done. Inside here are the stakes. They got to be welded in and fitted and all.
That looks perfect. That's just a shirt.
It's
cool.
got the detail of the mud flaps from the big truck, the detail of the leaf springs. You'll see them on the sides, and the lift points, and the square box. The toaster style looking, unaerodynamic, uncomfortable to be in, but it wins wars. The wheels turn good. They're Barons. They're the same wheels that are in the Army tank. It's got totally independent suspension. It's ready to be worked on. Tomorrow morning again. Every morning, about 3 hours, I work on it.
And this is all roadside fine.
Pretty much.
Scrap.
Well, the wheels are from the...
Okay, you bought the wheels. Yep.
The nuts, the hardware. The metal, though, is in the barn. Parks.
There's the attachment. Steering. There's parking brake. Tailgate. Latch. I'm going to unhook the cannon so we can take it for a ride. Do a test. Got the 50 caliber here. Exhaust pipe, air intake, cherry picker, spare tire, canvas top, t-shirt. Inside is kind of bare, room for the troops. Seven tires, one is the spare. Steers. The headlights are little bolts.
What does it weigh? What do you think?
It's got to be probably close to about 75 pounds.
Okay. I mean, it's built like a tank.
Oh yeah. You can slide it around a little bit too if you need to. This, you can use this to pick the whole truck up. Like this. Underneath. The real truck has a cherry picker that can extend up and out so it can swing around to load up ammo and lower the tire down and maybe lift up motor parts. Air intake. It's right much I can to the real truck. Oh, I want to show you too that the parking brake, what it does, it picks up the back of the truck and it keeps the wheels in the air. It won't go forwards. To get off, you back it down and pull the latch up again.
So you can park it on a hill.
Yep. Then underneath the steering, it's phenomenal steering. Independent. It's got little ball joints, tie rods. Here's your parking brake right here. It just digs into the ground. It levels the truck off. The wheels are all bearings. Inside you got a bucket seat and a steering wheel and a bench seat. It's a washer. Little bucket seat. It's got some bends to it. Not too comfortable, but yeah, I would think about 75 pounds. And we'll put it away. Little 50 caliber shaking away up there. Into an air-conditioned garage.